Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we'll be looking how we can test and simulate locations movement. So for example, you created an app and you wanna test if the location collection is working or if you are doing, I don't know, some calculations or anything. You wanna test if what you are doing is working correctly. So to do this, first, Android Studio has a pre-built-in location simulation. Okay, so if we click on the three buttons here, we go to location, and here we can test simulate our location. Let's say you wanna be in this location, you can set your location here, or you can simulate route movement. So let's say you wanna, I don't know, go from point A to point B and launch launch the simulator. But Android Studio is I don't know. I used it multiple times and it doesn't work really well. It's slow. Sometimes it gets stuck or I don't know. It doesn't work really well for me. So I looked for other solution and I found an app called Lockito. Okay, it's a location simulation app built for Android. Okay, this is the app. You can simulate location movements. So, for example, you create routes like this, and you launch the simulator. So, the when you collect the locations on your app, the app will handle emitting these fake or mock locations to the Android system. So let's download this app. So let's look. You can. It's available on the Play Store. Okay, if you wanna download it. But for me, I don't have Play Store on the simulator, so I will just look for an APK and download it. Okay, let's download from here. Let's wait. Okay, okay, it's downloading. Let's wait. Close the website. So next we can just drag and drop it here and it will be installed. So here's the app, Lockito. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Next, accept the conditions, display consent form. Okay, okay, next. Okay, let's grant the permissions and hit the OK button. Here, this is the main app interface. So first, let's create a simulation. Let's do testing simulation, validate, dismiss. Okay, this is the map. Okay, this is my current location. And so first, let's look for here. We can either simulate a straight line, okay, or follow a roads for car or for bicycle or I don't know for walking. So let's select, for example, follow roads for car. Okay. Next, let's do I don't know. Let's do a simulation from, for example, from here. Okay, you can click and hold to select the point, and let's say to, I don't know, we wanna go, let's select here. Okay, okay, this is point A, point B. Okay, let's change the point because it didn't generate a route. So let's do, I don't know, let's go to this supermarket. Okay, now we got the route. Okay, so this is the simulation. The route will go from point A to point B, and you can add any other points that you need. For example, you wanna go next to this restaurant. So let's select here. Okay, let's select again because the route not create. So let's delete this one, delete waypoint, and let's zoom in and add another one. Okay, let's click here. Okay, we didn't get the route. So let's do, I don't know, a point here. Okay, now we got it. So this is our simulation. We go from point A to point B to point C. Okay, here we can add pause for the waypoints. So let's say click B and you wanna do, I don't know, a 5 minutes pause. You can do that. Android Studio Simulator doesn't have this. Okay, there is no pauses. You can't even pause the simulation. So it will go, you can stop or start or stop it. That's it. Here we can select the speed. Okay, the base speed. Here we can select the precision. For example, here the location emissions will be between 2 to 4 meters. Okay, here you can increase the precision or lower the precision. Okay, for example, you wanna here it's maximum 20. I don't know. You wanna do terrible precision. You can increase it up to I don't know 9 kilometers, almost 9,000 kilometers. So let's do precise and let's keep it 2 to 9 meters. Okay, and here you can select the altitude. Okay, okay, that's great. So let's launch the simulator. Here, it will be emitting the locations. So when you collect the locations, you can either use the legacy on your Android developed app. You can either use the legacy GPS or the fused location API. Okay. So for our use case, we will let it mock both of them. So let's select, and here let's grant the permissions. So first you need to enable the developer options. Okay, the developer mode. Next, let's select our mock location app. Let's look for mock. Select mock location app and hit select. Let's select our app. Let's go back. Next, let's allow the location and start the simulation. Okay, the simulation started. So as you can see now, we are simulating the movement of the along this route. So let's stop it. Okay, let's stop. I wanna test it with Google Maps. So let's open Google Maps. So this is our current location. Okay, so let's launch the simulator and you'll see that the our location will change based on this route. So let's launch, dismiss, and let's go back. Okay, let's see where we are. Okay, as you can see, this is our location. We are now moving to, I don't know, to point A, then to point C. So let's say you wanna, I don't know, let's stop it. Let's do a pause. Okay. Here we can change the increase or add the speed. Okay. So it's based on the base speed that we selected earlier. So it's either 15 kilometers per hour, or you can increase it here or lower it here. Okay. Next, okay, let me create a navigation here so we can see it. Okay, let's say you wanna go to, I don't know, to this place. Okay, let's do directions and let's start the route. Rerouting. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay, let's launch the route again. Let's select another place. Let's say you wanna go here. Directions. And let's do start. Okay, here we are now. Let's launch the simulator here. And let's see. Okay, now we are moving. Okay, as you can see, we are following the route that we defined earlier on the app. Here we can increase or lower our speed. So let's do some speeding. Let's make it double. So let's see now. Now, as you can see, it's now here. It's by mile per hour. So this is our speed. Let's lower the speed now. As you can see, our speed is low, and yeah, this is it. I think these are all the app functionalities, as you can see. So basically, when you need to test any type of apps that uses the location, so you can test speed changes, you can test location changes, or anything you want. As you can see, it's really a good app. Okay, you can download the app and test it more. There is a lot built in here. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.